10 Best JavaScript Projects Beginners to Advanced. The first one is an animated accordion, which is useful for the FAQ section of your website. The second one is an age calculator. Using this calculator, we can calculate our age in years, months, days, hours, minutes, also in seconds. The third one is a gradient background generator. Using this, we can generate different gradient backgrounds with every button click. The fourth one is a binary to decimal, decimal to binary, and hexadecimal to binary converter. Using this, we can convert any number type to our desired number type. The fifth one is an advanced calculator. We can do addition between binary to binary, multiply between binary to binary, divide between binary to binary, also others like decimal, hexadecimal. The sixth one is a BMI calculator. Using this BMI calculator, we can calculate our body mass index. After calculating BMI, it will give us some tips based on our BMI. The seventh one is a CSS Box Shadow generator. User will see 99 CSS Box Shadow when he will visit our 99 CSS Box Shadow generator website. Then he can choose the best one and copy the Box Shadow CSS code.
The eighth one is a word counter. Using this word counter, we can count the total paragraphs, total sentences, total spaces, total words, and total characters within large paragraphs. The ninth one is the circular Animated CSS Tab. This is very useful when you want to show specific text based on a specific button click. Also, it enhances user interactivity. The final one is a color palette generator. We can generate 100 color palettes and choose the best color for our website design, graphic design, and so on.